Hi, in this video, I will show you how to install AI models locally with Pinokio AI. So the first thing is basically to download Pinokio AI into your PC. In order to do that, you'll need to open any browser and make sure to just go and type download Pinokio AI and hit the enter button. So you can click on the first link as an example, and here you have three options, whether Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, depending on the operation system that you have. For me, I do have Windows here, so I'm going to click on Windows, then I'm going to click on download for Windows. So click on save. Once it's downloaded, we'll need to install Pinokio AI. Let's just wait for the download until it's finished. Once it's downloaded, I'm just going to double click to start the installation right away. So as you can see, it will install. We'll wait for it. Once it's finished, I'm coming back. So once the installation finished, you'll find yourself right here. And as you can see, you'll find like a general thing, which is required. So you'll need to choose the Pinokio home folder and click save to continue. Until then, the rest of the settings will stay hidden. So basically, you'll have to choose a place for it to be saved. You can choose the theme, and you can choose, of course, the mode, whether you want it on desktop or background. So here, for me, I'm going to choose like a specific place for it. And once you choose whatever you want, just go here and click on select. And as you can see, they're telling me, oh, to restart the app. Let me just go here and restart it. And as you can see, it's restarting the application. Once it's opened again, you should find yourself right here in this page. As you can see, welcome, get started by installing and creating some Pinokio script. So for us, we are not going to go through all of that. I just want to download or to install some AI models locally using Pinokio. It may tell you sometimes if you click on something once you just download it, the backend still like warming up. All you need to do is just go and close it and open it up again. So if you try to use some of these options here on the right, as you can see, plugins, install tools and stuff like that, you'll find some requires things to do. Like system requirements need attention. Like example, some things that needs to be updated. Just click on this install, as you can see, and you will be able to install them. But that's not what we care about. You can just go to install because we want to install some models locally. So in order to do that, click on explore at the top right. And once you do so, here you'll find a lot of models or AI models that you can download. If you want something specific, you can look for it. Like an example, I don't know, some ones that are popular, like Stable Diffusion. We can just go and look for that. You can look for someone's example that has Maya models that runs in Stable Diffusion. As you can see, it's as low as 3 gigabytes of VRAM with, as you can see, these resolution. You can just go and click on it, and of course you'll be able to install it or to install this AI model using Pinokio AI. Of course, you would like to be logged in into an account if it's your first time using the store of Pinokio AI, or register if you don't have an account, never. So if you have an account, just log in. If you don't, just click on register, and then you can go back as example to installing whatever AI model you want. There are many AI models to choose from, so depending on your needs. So you can find every information about it here in the description once you just open the AI model. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.